our channel Fun Arts. Today we're making pizza on bread. These are the ingredients. Firstly, we're gonna need some butter. So after putting some butter, flip the bread around and then add some pizza sauce. After putting some pizza sauce, you can put any vegetable you want. In my case, I'm putting onions. Spread it around evenly. Okay. Then you can add some chicken, beef, anything, but I'm adding sausages. Okay, then after you do that, you can add some cheese. I mean like a lot if you want, like creamy cheese. Make sure to put it on every side. Some green onions just to top it off. Then go ahead, how the pizza bread is gonna look like. Just make sure to hit the subscribe and like button and notify to see more of our videos. Thank you.